Hello and welcome to the Manifestation Lounge, your sacred space for mastering the art of manifesting, the law of attraction, and energetic alignment. In each episode, I'll guide you through powerful meditations, energy work, and transformative discussions designed to help you align with your highest desires. Whether you're manifesting abundance, a creative career, or inner peace, you're in the right place. I'm your host, Melissa Field, and I am the creator of one of the most powerful courses for manifesting that I've ever tried. It's what I use myself when I am wanting to manifest, work with my own divine energy, and work with the infinite energy and infinite possibilities of this universe that we live in and that we are co-creating with. This course has guided meditations, journal prompts, affirmations, bonus affirmations for getting into energetic alignment and embodying what you want as if it's already here. It's full of so much good stuff. And because I love manifesting so much, I wanted to come on here and do something playful with you, something a little bit different. I've never done this before. And what we are going to do is play with Amy Poehler's Manifesting Magic Typewriter. This is something that was inspired by a podcast episode I heard on Woo Woo with Rachel Dratch. And Rachel Dratch was on SNL. It's a comedy show in the US, or a live comedy sketch show that created a lot of the movie stars and celebrities that were popular in the 90s and 2000s. And one of those stars was Amy Poehler, who went on to huge success. She is a really successful comedian and writer and actor, and I loved listening to this episode because they both were just funny, interesting, open-minded women. So one of the things they talked about was Amy Poehler was talking about when she wants to manifest something, she types it into her typewriter as if she's putting in an order to the universe. And she says that whatever she puts into this typewriter manifests. Now, because we can see her success, we don't have to take her word for it. We can see the tangible results of this. And we are going to use this to energize and empower our own manifesting abilities. And so what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that we have this typewriter. Amy has allowed us to borrow her magical manifesting typewriter. You're going to think or say out loud what it is you want. I am going to type it up, and we are going to send it off to the universe to be actualized, to be taken care of, to be put into the great cosmic wheels of all of time and space that are going to bring you all the cooperative components, all the things you need for this to be your physical reality. And this is going to do several things that are really powerful. Number one, it's playful. When you get into an energy of playfulness, of curiosity, of just having fun with manifestation, you accelerate the results, because playfulness is joy and the universe is joy. So it just brings us into a state of alignment to begin with. It starts us off in the right energy, in the energy of alignment and of kind of letting go of the results. We're not worried about it. We're being playful. It's also going to help you to tap into a higher energy that already exists around this. As I said, Amy Poehler is really successful and she's a really just awesome person. So we're going to be tapping into her high vibration that already exists. It's like we're turning our inner radio dial to the energy that Amy Poehler is on, which is big, bright, expansive, and we're going to play from that place. And then it also gets you into your visualizing power, your imagining power. The power that exists within your own mind is so infinite and so indescribable, and something that we are not really taught, and we are not taught to understand the power of our focus, of our own thoughts, of our ability to create from within, and that when we see something in our mind, it begins to harmonize with the whole universe and to bring in everything that's in harmonic resonance with what we are thinking and seeing and feeling. So this is going to be really fun. Like I said, I've never done this before, and I'm really excited to just get playful with you and have some fun with Amy Poehler's Manifesting Magic Typewriter. To begin with, I just want you to take a deep breath and come into yourself, come into your body, come into communion with your own divine self, and just become aware of yourself and notice that breath in you. Feel yourself breathing, feel the breath filling your body and releasing. And as you're breathing into yourself, coming into this present moment, coming more fully into yourself, I want you to start to think about what it is you want to create. What is your dream reality? And pick one thing, one specific thing from that. I want you to focus in on one thing you want to happen within this dream reality. And now, as you are calling it up in your mind, I want you to feel or imagine that you are telling this to me as if you're putting in an order at a restaurant. You are giving me the details of what you want. And I am typing it up, and give this to me in all the colorful detail of how you see it, how it feels, what it's going to look like, who's going to be there. And I'm just going to finish typing up these notes. And if there's anything else you want to add in that you forgot, let me know. We'll put that in, no problem. And done. And now I am going to send this order, which has been magically infused with all the infinite divine energy of the universe and with the high vibrations that already exist around Amy Poehler's success and around this magic typewriter. Your order is infused with this, and I'm sending it off to the universe to be taken care of in the best possible way and in the fastest possible way. So now it's gone. You're letting it go. The universe is already working on it. Things are already in motion in this moment, and just feel that. Feel into the knowing that it's already being taken care of. It's happening now. It's on its way. And you can just take a deep breath and feel into the release and into the peace and into the trust that your desire has been heard and your order is being taken care of in the kitchen of the universe, and it's about to be delivered to you. So now let's do something else. Let's put in another order. You can put in as many orders as you want. The universe is infinite in its capabilities and in what it can do. You can never ask for too much. So let's put in another order. I'm ready. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what's going to manifest for you next. I can't wait to see how it turns out. So begin now to tell me something else that you're ready for, that you are desiring. And every desire that you have, the universe wants you to have. So begin to tell it to me. I'm going to start typing up your order and infusing it with the magic of this magical typewriter. And I'm putting in the details. You're letting me know any details you want. You're letting me know if there's anything you don't want. You're getting specific about how this is going to show up, and I'm filling this in. And we're adding any sparkle that we want, any glitter, anything that is really going to make this shine and make you light up with excitement. Anything that feels as if it lights your heart up. Let's put those details in here now. And I am just putting in the final touches, wrapping this up. Anything you forgot, let me know right now. And done. And now we're sending this off to the universe with a big blessing ball around it and with a immense feeling of gratitude. I want you to give gratitude with the knowing that this is already being taken care of, and in a way it's already done. The universe can already see exactly how this is going to work out. So just give gratitude as if it's already been taken care of, as if this fantastic meal has been served to you, as if you've just been brought the most decadent meal, and here it is. Thank you so much. Yeah, and take another deep breath and just breathe into the knowing that magic is happening. Breathe into the knowing that all is well. Breathe into the knowing that you are divine. You are an infinite creator with the universe. And we're going to finish there. Thank you so much for playing with me. You can do this as many times as you want and as often as you want. Anytime you feel yourself falling into doubt or fear, come back and play this exercise again and get back into that playfulness, that joy, that curiosity. But if you really want to learn how to harness your infinite power, to co-create with the universe, to bring your dreams into reality, I would love for you to join me in Manifesting Magic. As a listener of this podcast, you can take 10% off with code MM10. You're going to find the link to that in my episode notes. This is really one of the most powerful and effective courses that you can do, and it's got 10 days of core content. So there's 10 modules with meditations, powerful journal prompts, affirmations, and then, like I said, there's a lot of bonus content that's going to keep you in alignment, keep you flowing in the right direction after you finish the core of the course, which is these modules. But the bonus content is just as important, just as powerful, just as high vibrational. This is such a powerful course, and I love hearing from people who have completed it, who tell me how it shifted them, how it got them going in the right direction, how it helped them to realize their dreams and move confidently towards them. So that's Manifesting Magic, the course. Definitely check it out through the link down below. And I am so grateful that you came here today so that we could have some fun together. I'm your host, Melissa Field. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.